Hi everybody, my name is Jim Johansson, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can locate and open SOLIDWORKS file through the bookmark editor. In the 3D Experience add-in, select the arrow pointing downwards and then click on More Apps and Roll. Locate the bookmark editor, and then once you have found the application, double-click on it to launch it. When the application has launched, navigate to the bookmark to which you have associated the SOLIDWORKS files that you want to open. It can either be a main bookmark or a subcategory of bookmarks. Once you have found the CAD file, you can drag and drop it into the viewport to open it, or you can right-click and select Open.